celebrant ng binaldi na iyang luha. Now, how much more the next person for the birthday greeting?
Hello, Lola. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Ay, Lola! Happy 90th birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola.
Kasi naman ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola Nancy. God bless you always. And enjoy your birthday celebration. We just want you to cherish every day of your life. Buhay ka. And dito ka sa earth. You just enjoy. And at the same time, know that we are grateful for your life. Pasalamat kami kay Lord sa buhay mo. You have served as a good sister to your siblings, a good aunt to your kids, kaya papa, kaya mama, and then a good lola to us, your uncles. And we pray na yung mga na-miss mo ka, lumuhay pa, ay magkaroon kayo ng connection ulit. And then you just enjoy everyday living. And also, habang kaya mo kumanta, mag-pray dito sa earth, you just enjoy it. And at the same time, always enjoy what you eat, and then always enjoy the company of Adelina, and sa Papa, and sa Mama, and others. So enjoy po and enjoy your birthday celebration. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you, Lola. And this is Catherine.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, journey down to memory lane through a special video presentation prepared by the family. Truly a life beautifully lived and deeply loved. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. And of course, to our birthday celebrant, Ma'am, okay na ka, ma'am? Siguro baby, kay Mila ka. No? Are you okay? Okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. At this juncture,